morning mga kapitbahay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Eto, first day of work na, balik na kami sa work mga kapitbahay, balik na ako. Medyo okay na, malamig na, suot ko ang aking magandang binili doon, remembrance para sa aking trip in Europe. So see you po later. Tignan natin kung ano mangyayari sa akong first day of work. See you! Good morning po mga kapitbahay. First day of work ko.
Oh yes.
Aking buhay naman, no? Sa eye clinic ako today.
Wow! Where is he? He's here with us.
I'm with you today.
Wait, go and get...
Ay. Magbibis muna sila mga kapitbahay. Bye-bye! Mga kapitbahay. Just came back. Kain po tayo. Break time namin. Sa first day namin ni ate. Si ate, kababalik lang din. Galing sa Korea. Back to normal tayo. Anong pagkain mo?
Back to reality.
Yeah, Skyflex. Skyflex si ate. Apple. Bagel tsaka. Tignan nyo. Itlog. Okay. May papakilala ko sa inyo. Jackie.
Yeah.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Just say hello mga kapitbahay.
Hello. I don't understand how to say that. Hello.
Mga kapit bahay.
Bahay.
Yeah. Break time namin.
Am I on the vlog?
Yeah, you're on the vlog. Say hi.
We're having a good time. We're
Yes.
on break.
Yeah.
If I go to your vlog, I see that.
Yeah, you can see this.
Wow.
Yeah. So yeah, you're part of the vlog
We're
now.
on break.
Kahit po sa akin mga kapitbahay. Mamaya po ulit. See you po. Kain na naman. Si Vanessa. Kain na po mga kapitbahay. Lunchtime na. Pero ako, magda-diet ako. Cheers daw. Cheers with the pink mug. Mamaya, doon tayo sa sasakyan na. See you po. Naninibago kami ni ate. First day of work namin. Back to work na kami. Yeah. So, lutang pa si ate mga kapitbahay. Ako medyo okay na siya. Lutang pa. Diba? Galing to ng Asia. Sa Korea. Ate. Nag-enjoy ka sa Korea, te? Paano kakain? Tingnan mo, ano ka pa rin yung mukha mo. Tanggalin mo na yung nasa mukha mo. Ano ba yan? Yeah, tulog ka pa rin eh. You're still sleeping. See you po mga kapitbahay. Lunch yung mga bashers dyan. We're working. Okay? It's our lunch. See you po.
How about you, Vanessa?
Mga kapitbahay, si ate. Sorry ate. Mga kapitbahay, I'm back na talaga in Toronto. Kasama si ate. Si ate galing siya ng Korea. Anyang sayo.
What else did you learn?
What did you learn, ate?
That's it?
Yeah, kimchi. Yeah, that's what she learned. Kimchi. Yeah. So ito, back to normal na kami. We don't like to go back.
Work.
This is not our normal thing, no? No. Vanessa, when are you going for vacation?
I just came back from vacation.
Oh yeah. You know what mga kapitbahay? Nag-Italy, hindi sinabi sa amin. After we left, she left.
I left no, you left first, then she left, then I left.
Yeah, when did you...
17.
The 17th.
Yeah.
Oh.
I was like, I'm not staying alone here.
And then when we all went back to work, everything changed na naman. Mga kapitbahay.
Not the same.
Ay, not the same anymore. But anyways po, eto, medyo malamig na. So it's getting chilly now, no?
It's sad.
But that's okay.
I missed the nice weather there over there.
Me too. Especially in Cyprus. Oh my God, Aphrodite, I miss you, Aphrodite. Yeah, Aphrodite. If you went there, yeah, the rock over there, they said that that's the place where Aphrodite born. I didn't know that, but there's no houses there. It's only those mountain. Cyprus is good. Food.
Where is Zeus from?
Zeus is from, I don't know. Is that the one from the sea? No, that's
He's like the biggest god.
The biggest one?
The biggest Greek god.
The Greek god, yeah.
So,
Zeus is the father of Hercules or something. Mga kapitbahay, i-comment nyo nga down below.
We don't know anything.
Yeah. No, I forgot now too, but I know Zeus. Zeus is the Zeus. The top notch. The king of Greek mythology. Diba?
Do you see any statues of him there?
No. Acropolis, I only see the Acropolis. I saw some ruins there, even in their subways.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Kanina, may sasabihin ako sa iyo. Mga kapitbahay, kukwentuhan lang kami. Ha? You said there's a smell like a rug.
I felt so bad. Like I don't know.
Huh?
Like a dirty
You know,
spot.
I said, and you're, oh my goodness.
I was like, it smells so bad.
I said, did you smell that? I'm like, no.
I know.
That's from outside. I said that.
I know.
But you didn't know that that's the patient. That's the next patient. Mga kapitbahay.
I felt so bad.
Yeah, and then I'm just trying to say, no, ignore it, you know. But I want to say it to you. No, but I can't because he was there.
I felt so
He was sitting. Oh my goodness.
He came in the room after I
See?
smelled it. I was like,
There you go.
I was so embarrassed.
Oh,
I was like, this hurts my stomach.
I cannot even talk.
That's so I was wondering, you're like, no, she's outside.
Yeah, it's from outside.
I was like, it's
No,
not bothering
same with the EBS, the housekeeping. Who's that guy?
Troy.
Troy. He said, "Do you smell something?" He said, he smelled the garbage. He said, "That's the smell of garbage." He said, no, that's not the one. I said, like the patient is like this is smelly.
Oh my gosh. Was it his shirt?
You know, mga kapitbahay, alam mo yung you wash it and it's still wet, and then you put it in somewhere, like you put it in a bag.
But it was really bad.
Of course, because of the yeah, the sweat and everything.
The whole hallway smelled.
It lingers. It lingers. When I smell it, like when I went in on the post op, I'm like, oh my goodness, I think it's him. I didn't know.
I smell me. He smelled me.
And then ate is like, what's that smell? Sabi ni ate. Sabi ko, ate yung patient. Sabi ko, go there. Sabi ko sa kanya. Diba? Anyways, ito, pauwi na po kami. So, salamat po. Pauwi na po kami. See you on the next vlog po. Back to normal na kami ni ate. At ni Vanessa. See you po mga kapitbahay. Bye! Bye ate!